Getting some big breaking news coming in right now, where we are coming to know that two suspected terrorists were spotted by locals in Akhnur area, Jogwan area, and Jammu and Kashmir police and Indian armed forces have launched a massive anti-terror operation in the area. This is the same area where four suspected terrorists were seen a couple of days ago, and an anti-terror operation was also launched in October 2024, and three terrorists were killed by the security forces while infiltrating into the Indian territory. And let's go across to my colleague joining us, Gursimran, joining us live. Gursimran, yes, take our viewers through the latest coming in. Two suspected terrorists have been spotted. And do we know what is the next SOP now? Have our security forces got an idea about who these suspected terrorists are?
See, the security has been beefed up right after the information that was received by the Jammu and Kashmir police regarding the two suspect terrorists seen by the locals. Right now we are in the Akhnur, and this alert is taken as seriously because in a couple of hours from now, by the noon, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and the Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, will be there. And here you will see the security beef up that has been done ahead of the arrival of Raksha Mantri and the Chief of Defence Staff, because this area is roughly 15 to 20 kilometers from the Jogwan, where the two suspected terrorists have been spotted by the civilians and then have been reported to the security forces. The area of the Jogwan has a past history that it is an infiltration route from the Dhakkar village, Dhakkar bridge that is on the Munawwar Tawi. So this has been a traditional infiltration route, and very recently, a couple of months ago, on 28th of October, three terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed were killed by the security forces in a two-day-long operation. So this clearly hints that there is a possibility that the terrorists will try or may have attempted an infiltration into the Indian territory, and they are back-to-back spottings, because yesterday evening at around 9 they were spotted by two locals. Couple of days prior, it was on the Saturday, when four terrorists were seen by the locals, after which operation was launched. So right now as we speak, because there is a high profile visit that is going to take place in the Jammu today, that is Raksha Mantri and the Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, the security has been beefed up, and also the anti-terror operation has been intensified in the Jogwan area and the nearby areas of the Asan Temple and the Dhakkar area and the Munawwar Tawi area. So all these areas are thoroughly being scanned by the security forces, because once again in the last 4 days, second spotting has been done by the locals.
That is right. I think for joining us there, Gursim, with all those details. I'll be coming back to you as two suspected terrorists have been spotted in the Akhnur area. We move ahead right now, viewers, to some of the other stories we're tracking, and we'll talk a little bit more about what is happening in Maharashtra. We have been seeing political turbulence in Maharashtra after especially the buzz of reconciliation between the two NCP factions. Now, in an exclusive interview with Republic TV, we see that Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Shirsat has said that this is a huge doubt that the MVA might even exist in the future. Take a look at this report as we highlight the biggest updates coming in from the state of Maharashtra.
Union Minister Amit Shah has said that the BJP's Maharashtra victory is a befitting response to Sharad Pawar's deceitful politics.
महाराष्ट्र की विजय ने 1978 से शरद पवार जी ने जो दगा फटका की राजनीति शुरू की थी, उसको 20 फुट जमीन में दफनाने का काम आप लोगों ने किया.
This comes following talks over potential NCP reunion after Ajit Pawar had emerged as the de facto leader of the party. In fact, there are whispers that Sharad Pawar himself may join the ruling Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra and align with the NDA government at the centre. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena's Sanjay Shirsat in an exclusive interview with Republic has said that Sharad Pawar himself doesn't want the Mahavikas Aghadi to continue.
राष्ट्रवादी का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, वो कब किसके साथ रहेगी वो खुद शरद पवार नहीं बता सकते. अगला आने वाला इलेक्शन आघाड़ी रहेगी या नहीं रहेगी कोई पता नहीं, और अगर इसी तरीके से चलते रहा तो मतदार संघों में जो काम करना चाहिए वो काम भी नहीं होंगे. और मुझे लगता है इसके पीछे भी शरद पवार का हाथ जरूर है. वो चाहते हैं ये वातावरण बने, एक बार माहौल बन गया तो उनको जंप मारने में कोई देरी नहीं लगेगी.